52. In the book of Exodus, we see God speak to Moses at the burning bush. And he tells him, go speak to Pharaoh. You're going to be the one to lead the children of Israel from slavery into freedom. And this is what Moses says to God who created the universe. I'm not a good speaker. Send someone else. Now you would imagine God, creator of all, he would simply find another man for the job. But God who created Moses, debates with Moses and goes back and forth until Moses goes to Egypt. Why would God do such a thing? Why would he spend his time convincing Moses to do what he told him to do? Because what's true for Moses is true for you and I. God has given each and every one of us a special work, a work that only you can do. God can't send someone else in your place because just like Moses, he's already placed those miracles inside of you. He's already given you the tools to fix the situation. So you may look at your family and want God to send someone else to fix it. Your job, your community, you may want God to send someone else to fix the problem. But he's already placed the answer inside of you. And what God has given you the tools to fix will stay broken until you use those tools to fix it. So God bless you, Group 52. And this week, look around and see what you have a burden for. Because quite possibly, God has called you to be the change that you want to see in your family and in your community. So use those tools. Say, God, send me, and have the best week of your life.